Sherlock. He's supposed to be playing ball, but he's eating red rocks. They're like lava rocks or whatever. Used in the landscaping around the house. And I make him spit them out, and then he gets another one. And I make him spit it out, and then he goes and finds another one. And he lays here, and you'd think he was a teething baby, but he's not.